All right, guys, welcome back. In this lesson, what we're going to do is we're going to cover how to set up a main menu for your Facebook chatbot. Now, what this looks like is you're going to see a main menu show up down here when people are viewing your bot and interacting with your bot on mobile. Okay, so that's what it looks like right here. This menu is not going to be available on desktop. All right, so it's important to note. But this is what the experience is going to look like when people are interacting with your chatbot on their mobile device. All right, so the first step to getting this set up is from your ManyChat dashboard, what you want to do is you want to scroll down here to automation. So click on automation, and then beneath that, you're going to open up there's going to be a sub menu that opens up, and you want to click on main menu here. So what the main menu is, you can hover over the question mark, and you can see right here that as it says, it's a main menu that's persistent to the menu and is always available to the user. So the really cool thing is that whatever you put down here, these are always going to show up for people who are interacting with your bot, no matter what. So you could be sending out a broadcast about a new video you post, or a new blog post, or maybe a new offer that you're putting out, something like that. You can send out messages there, but the buttons that you put down here in the main menu will always show up no matter what you're messaging your subscriber list about. So this is very, very cool and very powerful, okay? So what you want to do is you want to put your 3 most important links or your most important actions down here in the main menu. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that this feature is actually enabled, because by default it's disabled. So what you would need to do is, if you don't see anything here when you click main menu, all you need to do is make sure that you move this over to enabled. And then you're going to see the option to edit the menu right here. So what we want to do is we want to edit the menu, and we'll see right here what we can actually do. It says right here that top level menu is limited to 3 items max. So let's go ahead and create a new menu item. So the first thing we want to do is just click on it, and then it'll make it white instead of gray, and so we can actually go ahead and edit it here. So the first thing we want to do is we want to edit the text. So we can add some emojis in if we want to. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set this to subscribe on YouTube. So for me, I'm going to probably put like something like a video camera or something like that. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to select the action that we actually want to happen when people press this button. So we can either open a submenu, and then you can see right there we have the option to create, more menu items. They behave just the same as this. So we can either create another menu, and we can actually go down 2 levels deep. This is the last time. We can't open another submenu beyond that. And then for each action here, we can either reply with a message or we can open a website. So if you want to actually create a new message that you're going to reply to the user with, then you would just click create new message, and then it's going to give you the option to enter the text here. If that's not what you want to do, let me get out of this. So if you don't actually want to do that, and by the way, if you want to delete a step or a submenu, or you accidentally create something that you don't want, you can just click the delete button right here. So for my case, I don't want to create a submenu. I also don't want to, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to delete all of this. So what I want to do here is I want to send people to a specific website, right? Because I want to get them to subscribe to my YouTube. So I'm going to click open website, and all I do right here is paste in my URL, and then I click done. So super simple there. All we do is we would click update main menu right here, and then we can actually move these around too if we want. So if we want to change the order of what people see and the order in which they see it, then we can just drag them around by clicking on these 6 dots. All right, so that's it. That's how you set up a main menu here. And as far as strategy, if you're very active on YouTube, I would recommend adding your YouTube. If you have like an opt-in to get people to opt into your email list, then I would absolutely add that in as well. Or if you've got a blog or something like that. Really what you want to do is you want to have your 3 most important actions or places where you can send traffic. You want those included on your main menu. So it might also be one of the chatbot flows to sell your product or to sell your opportunity, okay? So if that's the case, then you can add that in to here. But what you want to do is you want to make sure that you've always got your 3 most important links or action items in your main menu. All right, thanks guys.